Hello and welcome back. So this is something new. I did say last year that I would be having a couple different projects going on this year. And as I'm talking through this little bit of an introduction, some pictures are floating through so you can see, but then I'm going to go back and explain what is actually happening. A friend of mine gave me the Newberg. She had done it, as you see it in the beginning photo, with the siding, it's painted, the roof is on. If you look on the inside, she finished it with all her choices of wallpaper, and there is some lighting. I only have one dollhouse, and that is the Garfield, which I call it Victoria. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen a few photos of it, which is all done in Christmas. So when I received this one, the intent was, okay, I have a lot of things that I have collected, and this is a good opportunity. The house is almost done. I don't have a lot of time to do stuff. Good opportunity to just fill it up with some of my things, some of my stuff. Well, that doesn't work for me. My first problem was that it does not have steps going to the second level. I know that there's a bit of a controversy is, do you really need steps to go to a second level in a dollhouse? I do. That is my choice. Just like some people would prefer not to have a bathroom because they want a kid's room and not have a bathroom, or they want to use the space to put in a staircase. In my case, I just felt not quite right that I would have a dollhouse that has no way to get upstairs. Gave it a lot of thought, spent a lot of time thinking about it. And I've had the dollhouse now for over 2 years. So finally, I decided that it's time to work on it. The first thing that I wanted to do was to figure out how to put in a staircase. Now, by the way, I do like the wallpapers. I thought I'm going to do a nice romantic little cottage, put in some lovely things that I have, a lot of pink things, and but I'm not really into having a lot of pink things. But this particular kit is so sweet, and I wanted to do it justice. And although my friend did a wonderful job getting it to this point, if I'm going to use it as my house, and it is mine now, I'd like to put my touches into the house. So as I started to say, the first thing I wanted to do was figure out, how do I get a staircase there? Okay, so to backtrack, here is what I received. This is the front of the house, and the kit is the Newberg, which is this particular kit, and I've seen lots of photos online for this kit, and I'm going to use a couple that I saw on Pinterest just so you can see what can be done with it. Some people have put in 3 levels, 3 levels. This particular one has been chopped to have only 2 levels, which I like, as you can see here, bottom level, top level, leaving the top level as high ceilings with the nice big windows. This is just some of the photos of the inside. Bottom showing the left side and the right side, which is living room. I'm going to do like a sitting area, and then to the right side is the kitchen. Upstairs, this is the bedroom, which is on the right side as you look into the house. I started to try and figure out how to fit in furniture, and it looks like I'm just not happy with it. The furniture I have doesn't seem to fit in there properly. I have to try it one way or another, and this is the other side of the bedroom. It's very cute, as you can see. There's lots of room, lots of potential to decorate, but I just couldn't find a way to fit any of the beds that I had, because the back, or where you see the alcove there for the windows, had those 2 triangles on either side, so that made the space very limited to put in a bed. Now you see here where I'm trying to fit in furniture downstairs in the living area, couch and one seater, and to the back I was trying to fit in a table, so that's where I would have the kitchen table or the dining area. To the right of the living room is where the kitchen will be. So there's a back door and a window, and the window is where I'm planning to do the sink. That's where I'm planning to put the sink, and that will be the whole area. Will be a lot of kitchen. You can see here where I tried putting in some items to give me the look that I'm going for. And then the big project began, where I needed to have stairs. So this house went over to my friends and her husband and I, with a bit of coaching from our mutual friend. We took out all the siding that there was. It was glued in. It was so solid. Major tools went into this. And then we cut holes, and you'll see later on, the holes are so that you can put a staircase on the side, and the staircase will come up to the second level through the bedroom. And as you can see in this photo on the left-hand side, now we're looking at the living room, where you're going to be able to see where the staircase is going to start. That other square hole is the fireplace. So the staircase will be on the side of the house, going from the bottom to the top, and it'll be encased on the side. There you go, you see that. There's a side wall that's been created. The staircase is inside there, and there's going to be holes so that you can see light and the staircase going up and coming up. Now I feel better because I have a staircase. It's just me. But it was a lot of work, and there's going to be a nice little door there. And it's going to be a lot of work to get to the stage of making the staircase inside and adding photos, lots of ideas. I'm going to cut out a big panel so that it will be like a big light. The house is also finished with some beautiful siding. Here you see where the panel, the staircase is going to be started, or is going to live. It's inside on the left side, looking in. So the staircase is going to go in. I think you can pretty much tell what I'm going for. So at this point I'm going to end, and we'll continue next time for part 2, when I will show you how I'm going to deal with the staircase a little bit closer, and also show you what happened with those 2 triangles where the night tables are. That sort of appeared when I decided to remove those corners. A little bit of a joke, but now I've got a lot of work, but you'll see it is quite a big change. So until next time, I hope you stay with me through this renovation. I'm going to be learning a lot, and I hope that I can show you a few things along the way as well. So until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.